You guys, it's China and I'm back with another video. My video today is going to be over how I did my dreads, my faux locks, whatever you want to call them. I'm just getting all type of Jamaican girl vibes from it, baby. So today, some things, I'm going to make this introduction short and simple. So first, the method I used. The method that I used was the box braid method. So all over my head, you will see boxes. Sorry, you'll see boxes and you'll see rubber bands. So you'll need boxes and rubber bands. Like a rat tooth comb, make a box, rubber band your hair, period. So that's all you gotta do. Second method, well, it's not a second method, but what else I did was you'll need a crochet needle. Let me stick this in here. Well, you'll need a crochet needle of some sort. You will see it later on in the video. Because I did crochet the hair in. It's not crochet, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So what I used to achieve my look was I used Let's Jam, Chyna Jam products. So I used the Let's Jam conditioning and shine gel, and I used some shine gel edge control just to make my boxes look sleek. Let's see if it focuses. Okay, just to make it look shiny. I also, when I got done, y'all, I used some mousse. Y'all not gonna see me do that part. I used mousse, and I also dipped my dreads in hot water to give them the flexibility of doing what I want with them. Right? Okay, so that is that. That is that. Okay, the hair I use. Let's get into the hair. Y'all gotta see this. So I use the Jamaican twist braid hair. This is my first time doing these, so I'm like, I hope this works. Because most of the people I watch on YouTube, I use just a kinky hair. And this is kinky hair, so you'll be good. It's $4.99 a bag. I see people using like $6.99 bags and $5.99 bags. I'm too cheap. So I ended up getting 8 bags of this. And then I only use 7. But I got a big head, so y'all might need 5. You know, you never know. Just kind of go off how you do your box braids per se. No, I'm lying. I don't even know. But this is some good hair. Y'all don't need that what they be calling that hair? The Jamaican, I forgot, but the cheap hair. I mean the expensive hair. Y'all don't need that to get these cute bomb looks, baby girl. Okay, so that's that. I want to show y'all the length, and then we're gonna get right into the video. So this is the length of my dreads. Ooh. Okay. Right. See, all different types of lengths. And it was because I wanted them to look really natural, so I didn't any type of length. I was like, let me get some long ones, some super short ones, just so I can play with them or whatever the case is. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe before I even start watching the rest of my video. Period. I'll wait. Y'all subscribe. Okay, let's get into the video. Back on another video. As you can see by the introduction, I had my last 2 twists. So I don't know if it took that long. They're kind of cute, but they're kind of stiff. But I put some hot water on the stove to see if they're unstiffened. But so I started at like 11. I had her to do, so started at 11, and then it's currently, oh, focus, 4:13. So that's like 5.5 hours. So let me tell y'all. Ooh. Okay. So first I took this and the hair that I used. I took 2 strands, but you could do more. It just depends on what you want to do. And the hair I used, you see all my room. Don't mind it. I'm trying to clean up and do my hair. Okay, so So the hair I used was this Jamaican twist braid hair. It was only like $4.99. I'm cheap, so I don't get the Cuban twist, but it was like $7.99. Like, no, baby. Okay. So you see, I put my hair in sections. Woo, child. Okay. So what I did was I took the crochet needle, dug it in there, and I kind of did like this, because I wanted them to be long, but they're not as long. But let's see, they kind of long and they all uneven. That's how I was going for that natural Jamaican Rasta look. Okay. So put that in there, and then I just take this. Now, if you don't know how to crochet, then I don't know. Just put the hair on the loop, close it, push it through, and voila, baby, it's not that hard. So I'm trying to section off to how big I want it, or how long I want it to be, and this is how I like close my thing. And this part is optional. I braid it, but when I was doing the back and whatnot, I wasn't braiding it. So it just depends on what you feel like doing. I just really wanted to be really neat in the front, so right. So this is how it looks. Okay, and then I take my other one. I'm washing covers and everything, so don't think I be sleeping on bird mattress. Yeah, I know, yeah, I be. So I take my other one, my last, put the crochet in there. Just kidding. Okay. Should I just go like this? I'm just playing. Yeah, I know. I'm feeling these FAUX though, y'all. Did I even tell y'all that this is my first time doing this style? Anybody can do it if I can do it. So come on, let's keep going. I want this video short as possible. So what I do now, I kind of just take this part. See, this kind of, I was kind of struggling, but we just gonna get it together. So I take this part, I'll leave like as less hair as possible to start it out, because I'm just gonna wrap my hair around it. So that's what I do. So I'll just wrap my hair. Okay. Around the couple, well, not my hair, but I wrap the Jamaican twist braid hair around my ponytail. Just to secure it. And as I go, you kind of will see me kind of spread these out, just so I won't have to use all my hair trying to cover one part. See? You see how good it just stay? Like, I just latch it on. I mean, some people, I be tying it. Let me show y'all. So this time I'm on the last twist I do, I'm not gonna tie it. If I do, remind me not to. Okay, so I just tie it on. So this part I'm gonna connect it to the rest of the hair like so. And I just go back to you know, twisting like so. So of course we want it longer than this. Just keep going, keep adding hair. So you guys, the finished look, I love them. They are tight, but they are cute. This is the different lanes. So make sure I give this video a big thumbs up. They are so cute. I'll post videos or pictures afterwards of me all cute with new clothes. See you later.